Hey gorgeous, welcome to my bathroom part 2. Why I'm saying part 2 is because I just filmed the brow and lash tint video. Brows might look a little bit intense because I just tinted them. Gonna wash off in like a few days time and gonna be like more natural looking shade. That being said, as I'm in my bathroom, I was about to try for the very first time these VERSED skincare products. I never tried these before. They've been kindly sent for me by a brand. We got two tonics. One is called the Weekend Glow Brightening Solution 4 Acid Complexion plus Berberry Extract for dullness, anti-aging, problematic skin. Sounds amazing. I have big pores, like especially on my nose. I have blackheads and all, which you guys are able to see. And the next one that I have is Baby Cheeks All-in-One Hydrating Milk, Coconut Water and Bamboo Extract. Once again, sounds amazing, right? Do it all toner, cleanser and makeup remover that leaves skin velvety soft. Help hydrate and balance skin's pH. And then I have a cream which is called Skin Soak Rich Moisture Cream, Squalane and Red Algae Extract. Made for dryness and aging skin. All sounds amazing, right? So I think without any further ado, let's try these. Oh, I like this application thing, like pump kind of thing. So for that, to use this, to apply this, I'm gonna use the Beauty Bye Bye Makeup reusable makeup remover pads. You get 3 in 1 package. It looks like this. Super soft, made specially for sensitive skin. It's actually made to remove makeup using just water because it's water activated, so you just run under water, squeeze the excess water out, and then wipe up makeup. Works perfectly with that. But I actually been asked quite a few times if this can be used with, say, face toner or, you know, makeup remover products. And the answer is yes. If you want, you can absolutely do that. For those who don't know this yet, Beauty is my brand. I created all this, that's me. I'm gonna link it all below so you guys can check it out. Okay, back to the VERSED products. Let's just try on the pad. This pad is not brand new, as you can tell. It's been stained because I've been using this for a while. So what I'm gonna do with this pad, I'm just gonna go, because you see it's like, first of all, like this. Oh, wet. So I'm gonna go a few times like this. I'm just gonna go on my skin. And the one around my skin. My skin gets easily red. Baby cheeks. This is called baby cheeks, that's what I'm saying. Okay, step 2, let's try the Weekend Glow Brightening Solution for Acid Complex Berberry Extract. Again, we have this pump. Do the same thing. You guys see it's wet. So this one is a toner. Previous one was like all in one, everything. And as you see, I'm not rubbing my skin. I'm once again tapping on. This is what I do with any toner. I never rub my skin, just because my skin is very sensitive. Although these pads are extremely soft, I still don't like to rub my skin. Looks very glowy though, right? Like I'm trying to use as much natural light as I can because you see, window is in front of me literally, so I have camera in front of the window. Yeah, the skin looks kind of glowy. Okay, let's try the last product I have from VERSED. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, none of these have any smell. Like, no scent whatsoever. Yeah, it has nothing. Like, I smell nothing. Which is, I think, amazing. At least to me, I prefer to have no scent whatsoever in my skincare or my makeup or anything like this, rather than extremely irritating, like plasticky, artificial smell that would irritate my nose and I'm sure wouldn't be good for skin in general. The last product we have is Skin Soak Rich Moisture Cream, Squalane. I have no idea how I'm spelling this, let me know. And Red Algae Extract. I always go very generous with my face creams. Feels nice. Once again, no smell. Yeah, no smell whatsoever. Love this. Look at that glow. Wow. I love it. Like, The cream itself is not greasy or anything like this. I have very oily skin, so if that would be greasy, I will let you know. It's not greasy or anything, it's just... wow, it's very moisturizing. I mean, it says Skin Soak Rich Moisture Cream. I mean, it lives up to its name, you know? It feels extremely nice on the skin. Oh my god, you guys, if only you can feel my skin now. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so far, thumbs up from me. Obviously, like with any skincare, I would need to use it for minimum a week to see a result, like minimum. I would say a month preferably to see any kind of result, but as a first try, I really like the texture of it, and you know, there is no smell. These products can be used AM and PM. I love that it gives this glow. Like, it's not oily or anything. If I touch my skin, I don't feel like any oil residue or anything like this, but I love this glowy, like dewy look. What do you guys think about that? I absolutely love this dewy look, actually. Yeah, I love it so far. My skin is so super sensitive. With a lot of skincare products, the first touch when applying it on, my skin just like, no, stop right there. Because I get like this kind of not itchy feeling. Because my skin is just so sensitive, it goes like, if that makes any sense. If you ever had this in your life, you would know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm majorly surprised how my skin straight away like this. So I'm gonna give it a go for like a month or so, and I'm gonna update you in the comments below. So check the date when I'm posting that. I'm gonna let you know in the comments after a month how I'm going with these products. But so far, thumbs up. Definitely like it. Love the glow. Let me know if you guys tried anything from VERSED. As I said, this is brand new brand to me. I never tried anything from them whatsoever, so I had no idea what to expect. And what you'd like to see next time on my channel? Should I do more similar reviews, more skincare reviews, more makeup tutorials? What you prefer to see? And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you soon. Bye!